the Fossibot F113 or the F113 versus the Fossibot F107 Pro. Now, personally, the F107 Pro is a much more better device, and you'll see the reasons why after watching the comparison video. I'll also share my thoughts at the end of the video. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Fossibot F113 or the F113 versus the Fossibot F107 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, the F107 Pro is a much more better rugged phone. It is the perfect upgrade over the Fossibot F13, and funny enough, it came out before the Fossibot F13. Now, although the Fossibot F107 Pro is a little bit more expensive than the F13, but it's 100% worth it, because it has a much more bigger battery capacity. We're talking 28,000 mAh cell. It has a much more powerful Dimensity 7300 5G octa-core processor. It has a 200 MP main camera capable of recording high quality 4K videos. It's kind of like the perfect, upgrade over the Fossibot F13, guys. I wonder why they choose to release the F13, which should be an upgrade over the F107 Pro, but it ends up becoming a downgrade of the F107 Pro. The F107 Pro is a better device here, but of course you'd have to pay $100 more. So there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.